Hey everybody, Sunday afternoon here. We got the engine and trans out today. So here we are, the stock bottom N302 with the trick flow heads. So far nothing really that I can see that's causing a tick. All the valve train seems to be okay. Did look like we might have had some oil leak. I wiped this off, but there was just a little bit of oil underneath the intake gaskets. So I don't know, and obviously we got a rusty block, so I was running straight water for drag racing, not any coolant in here, so did get a little, but this block has always been rusty. Again, this thing sat for 9 years, so far here's where we're at. One thing, we were ill prepared with, we had a little catch tray and everything, but pulling the automatic transmission, obviously we spilled some tranny fluid pulling it out, but nonetheless, AOD is out, and I'm going to weigh that because this thing is way heavier than this T5 I can lift by myself. This takes two people to lift, so. But I'm gonna put that on the scale and see how heavy that is. Nonetheless, we'll be tearing down the bottom end here shortly. Get these heads off, spark plugs out, and we're gonna take the bottom end off this thing.